I'm up here minding my own business, and this cat keep meowing. And I'm like, what do you want? She done brought me 2 papers. She done brought me 2 papers. She ready to toss. Okay, pet cat. She said, come on, man. You playing. You ain't doing nothing. Good girl. You gonna bring it over here? Well, if you don't bring it to me, I'm not gonna play. Because, that ain't how we do it. I thought you wanted to play. Not really. I thought you wanted to play. Bring it over here. Get the paper. No, you're gonna push it like that. You buster. Ready? Oh, you done pushed it under the thing. I can see. Oh, she got it. You're a good girl. Give me that thing, girl. See? Give me that papers. Give me that papers. Good girl. That's a baby. She's a good girl. Good girl. She back there looking for it. Get that paper. All right, that's that. Good girl. Oh, that was good. With that paper. Good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, she's such a good baby. Good girl, Betty. This is my baby. Look at that baby. Get that papers. This is the only time you can touch her, too. Ah, you gotta get it in. She really don't even fuck with me. Good girl. Good girl, weirdo cat. Good girl, weirdo cat. Good girl. With the paper. You brought it all the way that time, Betty. Oh, damn. See all the little flakies falling. Good girl. It's a good baby. Good girl, Z. That's my baby. You got the papers? No papers? Where the papers, best dad? You gotta get the papers. Oh shit! I threw it under there like a goofy. She got it. All right, that's it. That's it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bring it over here, best dad. Good girl. That's a good girl, Z. Yeah, I'll get my rubs in right now because that's when she like it most. She's done, I guess. When she don't bring it back, she the raw, big self. All right, guys. Good morning.